Sasa every day so adia me hu no Aviator we me say Aviator na very very risky. Nti so yi nipa bi waje obi sika na bia why waje so person unya mfa so ntentema and try Aviator no. Wo try Aviator na bit me afa sika na quick cause udu sika na 1x na no do sika na 2 na ko into yembe show nti Aviator na very very risky. Nti o to a hu ni say bia wo ska bi da ba bi we dey ska we free chan kra na enyo ya anase enya de bi ede ebe hawo anse ne wura Aviator game no because me wura Aviator game ade ba kwa me hu ye pa no ye very very risky na ade ba kwa me hu ni say Aviator game enta hit kese se ni padodo na wo online enta hit kese ni padodo na wo online enta hit kese every Friday ko Saturday ho no eno no enta hit kese minim nti opa Aviator game no market when your financial advice by a suggestion opa website a amount for no nya hu ya omuye as omo implement Aviator no dia ba omo website no obetimi try ba website a the padodo na ta to Aviator de ana enta bobba akesesa into betimi try obi betimi try ahomache ho na ugidi se obi anhye na ni online no as omo online no musapa no na obetimi try Aviator game no ena mi gidi se into Saturday bi EPO matches no too much man for no so do na online ya money minded mood na sorry na no enta market cause Sporty na mSport for no omunjimi say ni parodo na online ya we twa 1000 we twa 10000 we twa 10000 o mema play na 2 ebia fans be 100x say 200x that's in the company be go to omunye ne sa omota kaka yi nipa nhye ni online na ede etukese na game ade ba come hu no won say bon ketinketi etwa so kakra bibia 3-4 times a yehu say anytime ebetimi akwa kese cause anytime you bon ketinketi no de wo online na nipa do na mo atwa no nipa do na lusi o musika pa so yata say nipa do na lusi ni o musika nti mo na nipa do na lusi o musika no mo na nipa do na lusi interest so onya feeling me say ebesia boketwa me informasi kanko that time no the next week no we say dey ekobokese sana Aviator ne dey sana Aviator ne ti hu say especially hu say about 1.00x 1.00x atwaso 2 1.00x atwaso 2 a who say the next week no probability say kwakobo high of course about 1.00x ne dipadodo na edi hu dodo na ede apa ni padodo na mu ebe form nti yanko nti saa time no who say in the next 2 games and I say be a game at first no ebetimi akobo kese ade ba ko a Mr. D Aviator ho no nti eyade a suggestion de mimi hu ye no we bia wo de what watch nti we hu no bebre nti betimi ade ato comment section no na yina etimi asia free ho na Aviator game no menye too emotional o to a menye too emotional cause in fact de na do sa nti wo to ho so nti play na to no a usika ni read no onsa da woni da usika na so ma no nkoso kakra ma no nkoso kakra okay idru ha ya na maka ase wankasa wonim dia wo pe bajo yo ma no nkoso kakra wo se kwa na tu awurade nka me cash out to enye so yesa ese ni tem bia wo so target okay idru 5.00x be cash out or target 5.00x make cash out na the same time so ubewura market ni bia ma ubewura Aviator ni ma so hu mfaso awope ye fon say dey menya mfaso 200 cedis a ma jaitwa unya 200 cedis na jaitwa ko nyesa we wa so continue say be se na discani na ntimi tem menye too emotional who target a ope but just say who target a ope na who target a skana ulusi enche na nyo ya na ase mfaso awope na so hu ansa na wakwa Aviator untimi ka say wo twa Aviator wa unim dia wope unim mfaso awope at the same time so na yindi yes ana eso connecting time bia no uhun faso ayede ope pesa da me kan anytime eso hu hour time ayeso yede on cash out so set to target na hu time ayede ayeso on cash out and the last one partner say Aviator na enye Sporty for na ye saa so na enye betway for na ye saa so na enye mSport for na ye and at the same time so owe companies ni nyina Aviator na into crawl and a mokro we bought 3x with me kobo 4x with me kobo 1.00x nti yehu se ade na Aviator na etu a Sprite company bi na makakode lines na fi omo ho and a company no en control ma omo de mimi nimpa na se And to see nipa no obi a creating software, be a pharmacy software. Software no dia man, one aba bo like or prices na there, or prices in the thing to bit me accordance to we. Obi using the same software but we price in different from one or what price in there. E dey shame. And the intel be here internet connection is say because of say you dey license number mSport, you dey license number Betway no. Omo aki like omo ebia me pemfa so we. Nti dey bia no Sporty na set bia me pemfa so 100 million. Nti 100 million no anytime bia no machine be make sure say e pato do no mo to no. E pato do no mo to no say omunya mfa so 100 million ye dey. Mfa nto munya 100 million na no mo che musika na dey mamo. Ana say bia dey bi company bit me say okay if you say yen giveaway, more 200 million. Into most of that time, no, I start here bob back and say, bah, say the TBiano, machine be making sure say, in Lucy, and go lost. Into anything biano, say the pattern now online, no must take it higher. And you had the machine better, the bucket here. But you have to say, and the data be here internet connection, they say, or more abowing a common server. Until before the bit me reach you be server, no, I just say, internet connection, no more time, what me reach almost until anything biano. Is we here internet connection. Nti fan to team say yes say ade no ebo ha 19 ebo ha 19 ebo ha 19 ye be hu say o ade no obi an touch ade no general ekoso website bia but immediately habo 19 habo 18 habo win dey you say hu say obi control how obefa so ade enya no fa so na how betima fa so ade a cheni sika no nti o twa Aviator na emfa wo ring na ye dey enko shem emfa wo sika bia woni da so ye dey emfa ko shem ade pa mesia wo Aviator no mejiri se ebepoa wa wo hwe video mejiri se ebepoa amade bia wo ye bia no be ko onim follow tech in channel Facebook YouTube here subscribe channel no me the videos be bro me the videos a here wo kan ha bia ya ade bia onim ade na wo ye no